Okay, let's calculate the mean score from this frequency table. So we're talking about people scoring points here. Now these two people here, they didn't do very well. They only scored 3 points. So 2 times by 3, they only contributed 6 points to the total. These people did slightly better. These two here, they scored 4 points each. So 4 times by 2, they contributed 8 to the total. And then we're getting better and better as we go down. So these 3 people each scored 5 points. So 3 times 5 is 15. These people here, 6 times 6, they got 36. And then finally, these 10 people here at the end, they both scored 7. So they contributed 70 to the grand total. Now, to work out the mean score, we're going to need the total score divided by the total frequency. So here's where you grab your calculator. We need to add up all these numbers here. So we need to do 6 plus 8 plus 15 plus 36 plus 70. And the total score of all these added together is 135. And then we need to divide that by the total number of people, or the total frequency. So we need to do 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. And that comes out to be a total of 23 people when I add all these together. So we can think of this as 23 people altogether scored 135 points. So the mean, it makes sense to divide these points fairly over these 23 people. 135 divided by 23. And when you do that on your calculator, it says to 1 decimal place. So on the calculator, it comes out to be 5.869. So to 1 decimal place, it's going to be 5.9 points. So on average, the average score, the mean average score, is 5.9 points. Okay, here's one for you to have a go at on the right. Pause the video and then see if you get the same as me. Okay, so step 1 then, we need to work out the total number of points, or the total score from everyone. So we need to multiply all these together. So we're going to get 45, 66, 70, 32, and then finally 27. So then to calculate our mean, we need the total score over the total frequency. So let's add up all these here to work out our total score. So 45, add 66, add 70, add 32, add 27. That comes out to be 240. So the total score from everyone added together is 240. And then how many people were there? Well, we need to do 9, add 11, add 10, add 4, add 3. And that comes out to be 37. So let's just stick this division into our calculator. 240 divided by 37. Let's turn it into a decimal. So it comes out to be 6.486. So to 1 decimal place, that's going to be 6.5 to 1 decimal place.